Good morning.
Good morning, Madam.
What is your name?
My name is Angelita Umengan, Madam.
How old are you?
I'm 36 years old, Madam.
Are you married or single?
I'm married, Madam.
What is the work of your husband?
Driver, Madam.
How many children do you have?
2 years, Madam.
What are the ages of your children?
13 years old and 16 years old, Madam.
Are you high school or college graduate?
I'm high school graduate, Madam.
Do you have any experience abroad?
Yes, Madam.
Which country?
Saudi, Madam.
How many years?
2 years, Madam.
What are your duties there?
I'm cleaning the house, washing clothes, car wash, and then cooking all around, Madam.
Do you clean house also?
Yes, Madam.
So do you do a all-around household there?
Yes, Madam.
Do you take care of children there?
Yes, Madam.
How many children did you take there?
2, Madam.
Do you love taking care of children?
Yes, Madam, because me is my mother.
How about taking care of an elderly person?
Yes, Madam.
Do you love taking care of pets like dog, cats, like that?
Yes, Madam.
Do you have any message with your future employer?
Yes, Madam. Madam, please give me a chance to work in domestic helper in your family. I promise my duty is the best, and I'm responsibilities. I promise I'm finished 2 years contract, Madam. Thank you.